that are coterminal with 60 degrees. They give us n, which represents the number of rotations. Positive n value means a positive angle, and negative values mean a negative angle. Okay? So the first one, it tells us we have 60 degrees, so you can copy 60 degrees on all of those. Plus the number of rotations. So it tells you 2, and I'm just using that formula that we just wrote down. It's not really a formula, I'll tell you even a faster way of figuring that out. It's just 2 times 360 degrees. Class, 2 times 360 is 720, and 60 plus 720 is 780 degrees is coterminal with 60. I'll explain in a second when I do the visual. If you do one rotation, class, 1 times 360, and 360 plus 60 is 420. Where'd my pens go? 0 times 360, and 60 plus 0. Negative 1 times 360, negative 360, so 60 minus 360, negative 300 degrees. And negative 2 times 360, so 60 minus 720. Negative 6, what? 60. All right. Let's draw ourselves a visual now to see what this makes us. 20 seconds, draw a 60-degree angle. Put your finger where it should start. You should be starting here, the initial. Class, can 60 degrees go past this line? No, because that line represents how many degrees? 90, right? So you should have something like this. Okay? Okay, this next part is just better just to watch. So we just graph that one. To get a positive, or in the next problem, it might say the least positive. From this position, to get positive 360 degrees, which way am I going? Clockwise or counterclockwise? I'm going against the clock. So look here. This is a full rotation. That's positive 360 degrees. So I can say at the same position, right, that this is now 420 degrees. Okay? Now, from that position, I can go again, right, and just moving this along. So if you think about it, it's like 60 plus another 360 plus another 360. That gives me 780. It's kind of like the crazy clock, right? That thing that just keeps spinning. Watch how I would do from 60 degrees now a -1 rotation. I'm starting here, and your circles might look like going in the other direction. How do you go negative, class? Clockwise. It would spin this way and end up at the same position because they're coterminal angles. And if you did 2 full rotations, you just spin it twice, and you end up in the same position. So drawing these circles looks kind of crazy, but might help you. So if I ask the question, given 60 degrees, give me two coterminal angles, one that's positive and negative. You can give me 780 and negative 300. Those would be fully acceptable. And that's coterminal angles.